The GWR by Gunther Werks, a breathtaking fusion of classic analog performance and cutting-edge modern engineering. This high-performance vehicle pays homage to the iconic Porsche 911, reimagined with a focus on naturally aspirated power and bespoke craftsmanship. A fully bespoke headlight system has been engineered at the front, incorporating the latest advancements in LED technology. The lighting assembly is constructed using a combination of lightweight forged T6061 aluminum components and carbon fiber to support the larger bi-LED projectors and active daytime running lights. Turbofan wheels. The flat surface of the wheel face greatly reduces aerodynamic drag and helps deliver a clean aerodynamic wake. The aero fins that sit vertically along the wheel face are designed to increase airflow and cooling over the brakes. 4-liter naturally aspirated flat-6 engine that redefines performance. Featuring a quad-cam, twin-valve design, this engine revs to an incredible 9,000 RPM, delivering over 500 horsepower and 340 pound-feet of torque. Weighing just 2,400 pounds, it boasts a power-to-weight ratio of 4.8 pounds per horsepower, ensuring exceptional acceleration and responsiveness. Transmission. The original Getrag G50 transmission is retained but has been fully re-engineered with custom gear ratios, providing an optimal balance of performance, refinement, and touring capability. Key features include a cutting-edge slide valve throttle body system, a new intake manifold, and lightweight titanium components in the valve train. This engine is the pinnacle of precision and power, setting a new standard in naturally aspirated performance. Interior luxury and customization. Step inside the GWR and you'll be greeted by a luxurious and meticulously crafted interior. The Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel and carbon fiber accents create a sophisticated and high-performance environment. The Gen 3 seats offer enhanced comfort and support, while the exposed shifter mechanical showcase adds a touch of mechanical artistry. Clients can personalize their GWR with a custom vanity plaque and choose from a wide range of premium materials and finishes.